Hello, CMA Final, Paper 17, Cost and Management Audit, Group 4, Module number 1.3, Objectives of Cost Audit. This video is to help me in understanding studies and reference to myself. I hope this will be helpful for viewers also to understand the concept and they have visualization. They can remember the concept for longer time. So let's get into the topic. Objectives of cost audit. In module 1.1, we see how cost audit helps organizations. Here we are seeing objectives of cost audit. When we read textbook, the same topic will be covered multiple times. So when we read multiple times, it will store in our mind, and when we prepare by self, it will be helpful for us to remember the content very easily. I believe in this, so I'm getting into the topic of cost objectives of cost audit. Cost audit has both general and social objectives. When it comes to social objectives, the first point, verification of cost accounts with a view to ascertaining these have been properly maintained and complied it is according to the cost accounting system followed by the enterprise. So when we do cost accounts audit as per cost accounting standards, we can see deviation between the records maintained and actual standards. So we can advise, we can correct. No, when audit there will be no corrections. We can advise the organization in case of any corrections to be made, and we can give an opinion thereon. Okay, so that is what here mentioned. Verification of cost accounts with a view to ascertaining that these have been properly maintained and complied according to the cost accounting system followed by the enterprise. Then, ensuring that prescribed procedures of the cost accounting records rules are duly adhered to. It means followed. Adhered in the sense followed, obeyed. Detection of errors and fraud. This can be, this is the one of the most helpful things to the organization, users, everyone. Next point, verification of cost of each cost unit and cost center to ensure that these have been properly ascertained. You know what is cost unit and cost center, right? So this verification can be performed. Determination of inventory valuation. It is very important activity to any company in based on inventory only organization runs. So when there are people to work, if there is no inventory, if there is no proper inventory control, scope of wastage and misutilization is more. So facilitating and fixation of prices of goods and services. This point already we read in the first chapter. Periodical reconciliation between cost accounts and financial accounts. Helpful thing. Ensuring optimum utilization of human, physical, and financial resources of the enterprise. Alright? So when we follow a good cost structure, costing system, we can get maximum utilization out of it. Next point, detection and correction of abnormal loss of material and time, advising management on the basis of inter-unit, inter-firm comparison of cost records as regards the areas where performance calls for improvement. See, we read Kaizen concept, right? Keep on improvement. So it helps. Cost audit will definitely helps. promoting corporate governance to various operational disclosures to directors, and helping the entity in matters of anti-dumping duty, valuation of cost of production of goods and services, anti-profiting, price controls, etc. So when it comes to social objectives, a proportion is relating to general objectives that helps to organization level. When it comes to social objectives, verifying whether the pricing of the products are justified as per the product and quality are concerned. Quantity, quality, price, three things are these three are essential to consumer, customer, whoever utilizes, gets service, products, right? The next point, removing disparities, if any, in the pricing of products and or services. Looking into that, no cost-based economic imbalance may occur in the product and or services. Definitely right. So if you see, if necessities prices is increasing, it is very difficult for human survival. So it minimizes cost by maximizing w- productivity, maximization of utilization of resources at minimal cost. Then we'll go to next point. Facilitating in the global market cost competitiveness of the products. Definitely, when there is cost competition between industries, manufacturers, they will provide good quality of goods or provide services at reasonable prices. We can't tell always minimal, but reasonable prices. Ensuring that efficient utilization of resources. So this is all about objectives of cost audit concept. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.